Welcome to my baby led weaning series. Today we'll be making some creamy avocado and spinach pasta for my 8-month-old. So to my blender, I added 4 ounces of cream cheese. This is just half of the regular 8-ounce bag. I followed that up with a half a cup of frozen spinach. Fresh spinach will work, the fresher the better. I added a small avocado to that, followed by a few drops of her probiotics. This is optional, but I add probiotics to whatever I make for her. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that up until I get a smooth consistency. I'm using penne pasta because I want her to be able to hold the noodles and keep herself. And I'm just cooking this a little bit over al dente. I drained my pasta, leaving just a little bit of the water behind. I'm gonna go ahead and add that mixture that I just blended and mix that in. I cooked for around 2 more minutes on low flame, allowed to cool, and then I served it to her. She loved this. I stored the leftovers in the freezer, and then I just put it in the microwave for a few minutes for lunch or dinner. Try this recipe and let me know if you and your little one liked it. Follow for more baby-led weaning recipes.